Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community, ChristmasLightsTraining.com, and I wanted to show you how we do custom C9 bulb installing on this little bitty house. Check it out here. Alright, so this little bitty house here, we're doing the gingerbread style. We are running the lights across. We actually started right here. We ran our lights up, across, back down and around. Both these are females. We're actually getting our power from here. This is all going to get C9 also. We ran it up behind that chimney there, and that's where we inject power. Over here, we took the strand right here. We jumped down behind this chimney. We're catching all this here, and our power is running back up here, running all the way across and down and feeding all that. We're running a power cord down from the chimney also down here. It's going to hit that bush and all these bushes up here in the front. These up here in the front here will be on their own circuits. When we're doing a house this big, you really got to watch your amperage. Last year we were pretty high amperage. We were at 12 amps because we had all this tree, all these bushes on that same circuit, and so we had to split it and make it right. Hope that helps you out on how we do custom C9. If you want to know how we make our wires, how we make our wire, check out this video right here, and it'll show you how we actually cut our extension cords and make custom cords. And check out this one here to how to put lights on gutters and on a roof line. Thanks, and have a great day.